RF elements. Unboxing. TwistPort Adaptor for Mimosa WG integrates Mimosa C5X and B5X radios into TwistPort ecosystem. Package contents: waveguide, cover, thread, flange, screw M3X10mm, and installation guide. TPAMU adapts Mimosa C5X and B5X radios with Mimosa Waveguide port to RF Elements proprietary TwistPort Waveguide connector. Integration of the radio is smooth and easy, making Mimosa radios compatible with TwistPort allows for using the radio with any TwistPort antenna ever made and enable superior performance, noise immunity, and network scalability. RF Elements. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.